This is June in Texas. It's going to be 100 degrees today, which is normal. But it's also allergy season, and Texas tries to kill me. So my voice is a little messed up. My nose is stuffy, so I apologize in advance. But I got an idea, and I kind of like it. So I removed the inner panel from the hood for a reason. A couple of reasons. Number one, it looks cool. Number two, the way this car is designed, the air flows over the roof and creates a low pressure area right here, and it pulls the air out. So the air's coming up from the ground underneath the car and flowing up and out the car. I know this because it deposits dirt all over the back of my trunk. In this configuration, there's one drawback, and that's rain. Not so much when you're driving, but when you're parked. In this configuration, it's going to soak my paper air filters. The water is going to bead up down here in this lip, and it's going to get sucked into the car. And that's okay when you're driving. But when you're sitting, not so good. I can't put this back on like that because of this part. I'm gonna have to make some cuts. I've seen some other versions of this heat relief adjustment to this panel. Mark Allison made one where he puts spacers right here and drops this thing like a ½ inch to create a bigger air gap. I watched this dude in Australia make a panel that slides and opens, and that one looked pretty cool too, but also seemed kind of complicated. Both of them are kind of complicated. I just have a different idea. It's just different. I'm not saying it's better, I'm just saying it's different. What I wanted was something more interchangeable, let's put it that way. Something that would a little bit easier to switch out without any tools. And so I took the panel and I trimmed it up. And these okay. These are, you know, rare earth magnets. They're 20 pounds each. They're kind of brittle. If you smack them together, they're going to chip. So, you know, you have to be a little bit careful when you're taking them out of the package, trying to pull them apart. So if they're 20 pounds each, it takes a little bit of force to get them separated. And then when you accidentally let them get too close to one another, bam, they slam together and chip off. So these things came in a 12-pack. You just pop them up here. And so on a day like today, when I want to go out and drive, I can just pull these panels off, throw them in the trunk, the boot, and I have open airflow. I get to my destination, there's a rain cloud coming. All I have to do is pop the trunk, get my panel out, The hard part takes a little bit of alignment, you know what I mean? You gotta figure out where you're going with this thing. And that's it. Now it's installed, so they don't fall off. They don't rattle. If each magnet's 20 pounds of force, there's 6 of them, so I've been on a couple of drives. They stayed in place the whole time. For me, this is a acceptable option.